In today's update, we're covering three major topics: recent improvements in interest rates, the state of existing home sales, and the drop in builder confidence due to tariff concerns. So grab your notepad because there's a lot to unpack, so let's jump right in. Let's start with interest rates. Recent reports indicate that the rate sheets have improved slightly from last week. Both mortgage bonds and the 10-year Treasury are testing the best levels that we've seen in this year actually, almost matching December's performance. However, there's a note of caution. If there's improvements continue, we might see a quick reversion to December's levels, opening up a short window for action. With Friday's PCE inflation data on the horizon, the market is on high alert. Remember, when the CPI come in hotter than expected, it pushed rate sheets worse for a few days. So if you're processing a loan or considering refinancing, now might be the time to lock in those rates, as the current downside risk appear to outweigh any potential upside. Moving on to existing home sales, January saw a 4.9% decrease from December, with closings coming in at an annualized pace of 4.0 million units. Although this was a slight miss on projections, the overall trend remains positive. For 4 consecutive months, year-over-year sales have been on the rise. Inventory, though, remained tight, while the total inventory reached 1.18 million units in January, which is about 829,000 of those active listings that rest were under contract. With strong buyer demand and limited supply, we're likely to see continued home price appreciation. Now let's shift focus to home builder confidence. The National Association of Home Builders Confidence Index dropped from 47 in January to 42 in February, falling well below the neutral mark of 50, which is a clear sign of contraction. At the same time, home sellers are increasingly reducing prices. In February, 33.2% of homes on the market saw price cuts, the highest percentage for any February in over a decade. Digging deeper, all components of the index, including buyer traffic, current sales, and future sales expectations, decline. In fact, future sales expectations dropped by 13 points, reaching the lowest levels that we've seen since December 2023. NAHB Chief Economist Robert Dietz points to tariff uncertainty as a major factor, with 32% of appliances and 30% of softwood lumber imported. To sum it up, while the market shows promising signs, especially with improvements in interest rates and a steady growth in home sales, there are still significant risks to keep in mind. The upcoming PCE inflation data and the tariff uncertainties are potential game changers. So if you're in the market for a mortgage, buying a home, or involved in construction, staying informed is key. If you found this update super informative and helpful, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more weekly insights and home walkthroughs and mortgage rates, because there's so many things to learn, and real estate is a never-ending process, and it's very great for you to keep getting educated on the real estate market and knowing what's the best decision for you. Then I'll see you guys in the next video.